Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Chef Christian. And this recipe we'll be making is grilled cheese. Well, I took a bite of my grilled cheese and it tastes really good. Oh, here, I'll get it right. It's so good. Well, guys, so since you're beginners in this episode, well, if you're not the beginners who already know how to make the grilled cheese, then don't watch this one. So, if you're a beginner, you have to follow the steps. But if you're not a beginner, well, let's just say, finds you already know how to do it and you don't have to follow the strict steps. So, here are the ingredients. You need butter, we need bread, and cheese. Cheese. So the first step is to grab up 2 breads. Hold on. Hold on. You grab out 2 breads. And then you have to get the butter. Okay, let me go to get the butter. Put some butter, okay, on it. Hold on. Oh gosh, we're back. Okay. So butter. Right, let's put some butter. Okay. There, alright. Now let's put butter on the other side of the bread. Alright. Oh, what as you can see, when I spread the bread, it looks like frosting, but it's not a cake. It's a bread. It's like a frosting on the cake. No. On the bread. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna need to do it smooth and gentle. Okay. Okay, like I said, smooth and gentle. Okay. All right. As you can see, I've done with the butter. Okay, so it's all buttered up already. Oh, I forgot about the edge and side of the edge, guys. So, hold on. Okay, done with the butter. Okay, done with the butter. Okay, for the next step, you have to place this bread and put it on the pancake grill there. The pancake toaster. But I only use it for practice reasons. Alright, now I'm gonna add the cheese. Alright. Oh, this is also really hard to get. There we go. Okay, we got the cheese. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm gonna open the cheese. Okay, got the cheese. Got the cheese. I'm gonna put it right here. On. And I dropped it. Oh well. Oh, if you dropped it, we clean up the spill immediately. Okay. We got the paper towel. Put the cheese spill. Pick it up. Not sponge. Okay, always clean up spills immediately. Yeah, that's what I did in my school. Well, I guess I put the cheese on, put something on the bread on the top, but I have to face it sideways. Okay. Now the bread. Now the bread is already there. Hold on. Alright. Let me turn on the switch. Yeah, as you can see, the cheese is grilling. Gotta close the lid. Then while it's in there, look at like it needs to be this flat. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a 5-minute timer. Oh, actually, no. 10-minute timer. Okay. Got my phone. No, just 5 minutes. 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, we'll put it 10 minutes. Alright. No. Okay, here. I just put it at 10 minutes, so I'll see you guys. I'll be right back. So I might take a break. I might take a break for this. I'm gonna watch TV.
Well, thank you all for coming down. Look, I know it's not well, it actually is a competition, but do you think Brisbane can put on a better show than Melbourne? Hard act to follow.
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh no, definitely. I think the Gabba will put on a better show than the MCG. Definitely better atmosphere and better weather. So
hang on a minute.
supporters.
That's a big goal, David. We are very thankful to Queensland for putting on the grand final because and rescuing and the entire season.
Oh no.
Thing there, mate. That's big time Geelong support. Hey, today's event coincides with SOS Week in Queensland, which is fantastic. Tell us about that.
Okay, this
Yeah,
will
this
take
week,
long.
Surf Lifesaving Queensland had our SOS week, Save Our Status, and you know, that's about donating money so our lifesavers can do their job and save the people that do get in trouble at our beaches. So it's still going, and we still want people to get on and donate to Surf Lifesaving Queensland or one of the local surf clubs in Queensland.
Well, if the timer's taking too long, you can skip if you want to. If you want, you can skip to the next part if you want to. Yeah, you can skip to the next part if it's taking too long. So, guys, if that one's taking too long, you can uh, you can skip to the next part. So, let's go right back.
Bracing for your busiest season on record?
Yeah, definitely. We're going to see, you know, a lot of, I suppose, locals and people in Australia visiting our beaches because they can't go anywhere else. And yeah, we are going to be expecting for a big summer. You know, our lifesavers are well equipped and ready for the challenge. So, but we just need the people that are visiting the beaches this summer to please swim between those red and yellow flags and look after each other and you know, look after your kids when you're down the beach. And you know, if you have an issue, please go and see our lifesavers and lifeguards.
Yeah, we hope you have a quiet. So just finally, what's it like being in the company of that magnificent up there?
It's a weird thing
Did you
seeing
feel
at
the aura?
Metricon Stadium, I've got to say.
Did you feel the aura?
Yeah, it is. It's very, it's very shiny, and I suppose, you know, these boys would love to get their hands on it in the next couple of years. So hopefully we can bring it back to the Gold Coast very soon.
Well, we'd love to see the Suns get up. Hey, please thank the kids for coming down as well as the two lads there. We appreciate it.
Yeah, Matt, no,
Yeah,
what do you
I'm going to present it to Noah and Matt here from the Suns as Surf Lifesaving Queensland. It's last journey, so I'll pass it on to the two players here. Thank you very much.
So Tony Hoffman would be very happy to see a couple of these lads holding that thing. That's good.
Hold it up nice and high, guys. You can just pretend for the moment.
You can cheer, kids. Put your hands up. Give it a cheer. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, congratulations.
Yeah, it's at Metricon Stadium and then it heads up to the Gap Saturday night, which we can't wait. So Richmond obviously in the grand final and then they will either beat the Cats or Brisbane. Hopefully it's the Cats. Fingers crossed tonight.
That'll be a great game. Straight ahead, Property Curve. We're taking you inside the newly appointed best holiday homes right around the country.
Who's there?
Water torture, living in faulty towns.
Can't do washing, can't run a dishwasher.
The new development where every day is a bad hair day.
The water is very deep or uncontrollable.
The taps just trickle.
Not to have a shower, I think it's prehistoric.
Who's to blame? A current affair Monday.
Yeah, maybe 6 minutes will be enough. Alright. So when your grilled cheese is done, turn off the switch. Let's see the results. Oh my gosh, that is a one good looking grilled cheese. Now, on the final touch, okay, I'm in a 6 minutes, guys, so I don't want the cheese to overload. Well, get your tongs. Wrap the sandwich. You then place it on your plate. And voila! And that's how you make grilled cheese, everyone. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my first episode of Cooking with Chef Christian. So, guys, comment down below what should I cook next. But if you don't comment down below what should I cook next, well, I might choose my own choice to cook what for the next episode. By the way, guys, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And click on the notification so you won't miss any cooking videos or videos I did in my uploads. So guys, thanks for watching. and I'll see you next time. I'm gonna eat my grilled cheese now. So, guys, I'll see you in the next cooking video or video, whatever. Stay cool, and see you in the next cooking video. Bye!